Okay, if you are in, then okay, I got your message. What you do, you just inform to all the students of our archery class, senior students especially, and give them personal message that meeting has been started, so you can join now. It's compulsory to all students to join the meeting. Okay, and in your group, whatever the groups you have, you just send the message so they can also join. And today I can give you one opportunity to, if you are convenient, so I can give you one opportunity to make a vote of thanks of the today's speaker. So if you are ready, then just tell me. If you are not, then also tell me. Okay, Sakshi, then be ready and to note down the people, the person's name, those who are available in the time, so you cannot get uh, worried about the names. Okay. Welcome, Vasant sir, Jende sir. Welcome, Dr. Sachin Deshmukh sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. How are you? And thank you. Sir, your voice is coming very clear, and I think that my voice is also coming.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I just want to share my PPT also, sir.
Okay, just give me the PPT on WhatsApp if it is possible to you, or have you given,
WhatsApp, I can,
or you can send me by any means, no issue, or you want to share it from your side.
yes, I will share from here, no problem.
Okay, so not at all, sir, problem. I'll make you host, co-host. So
Okay.
should I make you co-host now?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, just wait, sir. I think it's okay now.
1 minute. Yes, yes, yes.
You
It's open.
can try. You can try now also, sir, because
Okay, okay, yes, sir. Share. It's coming, sir.
yeah, it's coming.
Mhm. So it is on full screen
No,
if
it's
it
not
is coming.
coming in a full screen. It's just like in a slide mode. It is better
Okay.
on the full screen mode, so each and everyone will check it properly.
Verma sir, how many participant has been joined
Jo-
now?
Sir, as it's a time, just starting time, participants yet to join. Okay, only three or two, or three to four, five people are now joined. They are joining. They will join definitely. Don't worry. If you have some participants from your side, they can also join. Okay. So just share the link. You have got have you got the
Y-
link?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I shared the link, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we have received the link,
So they
and I owe my best of luck to you, and also congratulations to you for taking this opportunity and making this Zoom platform available for all the physical directors for interaction purpose.
yeah, sure, sure. This is only one first leap of our interaction. We'll have some more series in this month. So we'll try to do some fruitful things through this interaction of our live webinars type. So we need all of us at a one platform.
Awaiting for your upcoming inputs.
Sure, sir. I'll take your help also. I'll take all the
Yes,
people's help.
definitely, definitely.
And if you have any suggestion, then please help me to give me suggestions so I can.
Yes, definitely,
Well,
definitely, sir.
yeah. So Deshmukh sir, have
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes, on the slide mode. Yes, this.
Yes.
Yes, put it. Now it's visible, sir, properly.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think we should start the meeting. I think because it's a recording mode, so anyone can join at the time or after the time also. Why should
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
wait for others? Okay, and our principal will also join in meantime.
Sachin, you can check the slide by up and down so
Yes,
that
yes,
there will
yes.
be no difficulty
No, no,
at the
no.
time of your presentation.
This is coming now.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, done, done, done. Now you're on the toes.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah, myself.
All the best, Sachin.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sachin sir, shall we start?
Yes, 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 sir. No problem.
Okay, from your side, no problem. Mm. So very good evening to each and everyone for this day three webinar of sports science and sports related activities. As I told you earlier, there were a 7 days webinar for sports, and we have different guest speakers, especially in the field of sports. As we have started from 29th of August on the occasion, special occasion of the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, and we will end up at the time of 7th, at the time of 5th July, especially on the eve of Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, that is called Teachers' Day. So all teachers who have gathered here and all the students, those who are here listening through the Zoom platform as well as on the YouTube, as well as on the YouTube, are welcome from JES College Jalna Sports Department. I welcome on behalf of the principal of this college, Dr. Ganesh Agnihotri sir. Because of his true inspiration, we start this type of initiative in the field of sports to uplift the level of sports through the webinars, seminars, and on the ground activities. So this is the third day, and the third day speaker is Professor Dr. Sachin Deshmukh sir. He is Director of Sports in MP Law College, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Presently, he is working as a director, as well as he has a charge also of our university director as an in charge director of sports of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And the eminent personality, very good lecturer, very good administrator, Dr. Sachin Deshmukh is very friendly man, as I have seen, because we are in the same field working hard to develop the sports. But it's a good opportunity that to have Dr. Sachin Deshmukh with us. I feel very happy, and I announce that your lecture will definitely enlighten us. So by saying this word, I would never take too much time to start this day three session. Dr. Sachin Deshmukh sir, you are welcome from our side. You can proceed now.
Yes. Thank you, sir. My voice is clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and warm welcome to today's lecture. I would like to begin my express my heartfelt gratitude to JES College of Jalna management and principal and my friend Dr. Hemant Verma sir for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts with all of you today. My lecture is divided in part because this topic is very vast. I will try to make it in it points wise with examples. The topic today's topic is sports science and enhancing athletes performance. This is the most important topic nowadays. You can see two pic- pictures, photos on that. The sports science of enhancing athletes' performance, applying scientific principle to improve the athletes' performance. The second picture is that related and relevant. The related and relevant are two words that are often used but they have slightly different meaning. The relator refused to connect the relationship between two things. It implies that there is some kind of association, like similar between them. For the example, this book is related to the topic of sports science. This book, the book has some connection to the topic, but it may not be directly applied or useful. Why I'm giving this example? Because you have to know the why science and sports performance together. Now, relevant. On other hand, the refers to the scientific applicability or useful of something in particular context. It's imply that something is applicable or useful in a scientific situation. That is that these two words are given. I just give the introduction of this topic. Sports science is an interdisciplinary field that merges biology, psychology, physiology, biomechanics, and nutrition to optimize the athlete performance. It is not just about making athlete faster or stronger. It is about the understanding the science behind the movement, recovery, and mental religious release. Mental release is important in the sports field. By applying evidence-based principles, sports science help athletes to reach their full potential while minimizing the risk of injury and promoting the long-term well-being. While minimizing the risk of injury and promoting the long-term well-being, the sports science is multidisciplinary field and applies scientific principles of sports improve the athlete's performance, prevention of injuries, and enhance overall well-being in India. Sports science is gaining recognition for its potential to enhance athletes' performance and achieve success in international competition. Once a crucial aspect of the sports science is understanding the biological clock and it is impact on the athlete's performance. Sports science has emerging as a crucial component in enhancing athletes' performance in India by applying scientific principles to the athletes' training. Coaches and athletes can gain a competitive edge and achieving better results. Sports science encompass various disciplines including physiological, biomechanical, nutrition, and psychological, which works together to optimize the athletic performance and well-being. This is the introduction of this topic. Why I just introduction given by the all the physical education is not a one single subject. It is a collaboration and merge all the subject like science, social science, because this everything developed in the sports. Now, definition is interdisciplinary field that applies scientific principle to improve the athlete performance, prevention injuries, and enhance overall well-being. Important of sports science in enhancing athletes' performance, like key components of the sports. You can see in the diagram, so many factors are given on this diagram that everyone knows. But I have to focus on each four, three, four, five components that the physiological, biomechanics, nutrition, psychology, injury prevention, management, like that. Physical fitness is depends on all these factors. That's why they improve the performance. Like application of sports science in India. Sports science is being applied to various way in India, including elite athletes development, recreational athlete support, and sports equipment design. The Indian government has also launched initiatives to promote the sports science and technology in athlete development. By sports science, India aim to produce world-class athletes who can compete at the highest level and bring the glory to the nation. This is the key components of the enhancing the this. Now, physiological understanding human body function, exercise, response, and adaptation. This is very important because three things are there: function, exercise response, and adaptation. Physiological plays a vital role in understanding human body functions and the physiology and the response to exercise in India. Exercise in India, sports scientists are using physiological assessment to design training programs that two individual athletes need. By understanding an athlete physiological profile, coaches can training training them programs to optimize the performance, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance the overall performance. Like I can give two, three examples of that. The Sports Authority of India (SAI) has established physiological testing lab to the assess athlete cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, and flexibility. For the example, Sai Lab in Bangalore use state-of-the-art equipment to conduct VO2 max test, which measures an athlete's aerobic capacity. Like that, the Indian cricket team works with the sports scientist to minor players or major players physiological response to the training and competition. For instance, they use the heart rate, that is called HRV, monitoring to assess the player recovery and adjustment and training load accordingly. Means when you are physiologically you are fit, then you can give the training according to that. That is the important of this subject of physiological is very important in this. Now next is biomechanics. It is very important. Biomechanics analyzing the movement pattern, techniques, and equipment design. Biomechanics is another essential discipline in sports science that helps analyzing movement pattern and technology. In India, biomechanical analysis is being used to optimize the athlete's technique, reduce reduce the risk of the injury, and enhance the performance. By using this advanced technology such as a motion capacity, motion capture, and video analysis, coaches and athletes can gain valuable insight in the movement pattern and make their data decision to improve the performance. You can see the first photo. The spots are given on the athlete's body, small spot. They always when they have to see the why performance is not increasing. The biomechanics is important. If you say that you have to throw the javelin in 45-degree, otherwise you can say uh, any so many games like high jump. Take up your body. See simple example I can give you that when you are driving a two-wheeler and suddenly you take the front brake, the second tire will come up. Means you stop the your force and that will go upward against the gravitational force. And that technique used in the high jump. That is the biomechanics. Now biomechanics have the example, the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Madras, has collaborated with the Indian hockey team to analyze the player movement pattern using motion captures technology. The analysis has helped to coach identify area for improvement in the techniques and developing the training programs to enhance performance. Means what? When the one person is playing in hockey, he hit the ball is not going in that direction. What is where we are lacking? Which body posture should be there? That they have to find out. The help taken by the IIT Madras. The Sports Biomechanics Lab at the LNIP, Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Sports Education in Gwalior, use video analysis software, analyze the athlete techniques, and provide feedback to the coaches and athletes. Means they can improve the performance according to the biomechanics techniques. That's I'm going to say why this we need because of we are giving training everything where we are lacking that is most important. Your action is important when you're playing the game or anything, because when you are reaching the highest level of the competition you need that small things you have to be study, then you can go up. Now next is nutrition. It is very important. You can see in the diagram every day healthy eating, good sports nutrition, you add the your best. That is most important. Means you can reduce your maximum injuries. See, nutrition is a crucial component of athlete performance, and sports nutritionists in India are working with the athlete to develop the personalized nutrition plan. By understanding an athlete nutritional needs, coaches and nutritionists can design the meal plan to optimize the performance, support recovery, and enhance overall health. Poor nutrition is essential for athlete to the performance at their best, and sports science is helping the Indian athlete to make inform the choice about their diet. See, this is the nutrition. Nutrition is according to your where you're staying, what food you're eating, that all comes in your that. But In that also, what body your body is needed, that is most important. Now example, sport nutritionists work with the Indian athletes to develop the personalized meal plan and that meet their specific nutritional needs. For example, a nutritionist might create a customized diet plan for a wrestler that includes high amount of protein to support the muscle growth and recovery. That is the thing, according to the sports what the body need, and that body components is important in the nutrition. The National Institute of Nutrition, NIN, in Hyderabad has developed the nutrition guideline for the Indian athlete participating in different sports. These guidelines provided recommended and micronutrient and intake, hydration and electrolyte replacement, what they need. According to that, they given the guideline in the National Institute of Nutrition, that is in Hyderabad. Now next is very important, everyone says psychology, mental preparation, motivation and performance enhancement, key pictures, visualize, self talk, mindfulness. See, you can see the second pictures that everything is given, means anxiety, balance, control, realize, mindset, adaptation, performance, everything, all the factors work on your brain and that affects on your performance. That is very important of importance of the psychology from side. The sports psychology, every teacher studied psychology, what psychology, how works, and what you have to find the reasons on that. That is most important to enhance the performance of international level. Psychology plays a vital role in the athlete performance. That is important. And sports psychologists in India are working with the athletes to develop the strategy to manage the stress, build confidence, and enhance the performance under pressure. By understanding the psychological factors that influence athletes' performance, coaches and psychologists can design intervention that support athlete mental well-being and optimum performance. That is the important psychology. You taken the practice everything. When the match situation is there, how to behave, how to control your mind, how to control your breathing. Now, Verma sir always take the archery. I seen lot of videos when he's showing on YouTube and all, because archery is game is a concentration. Lot of skill you teach, but when you have that competition level, the important thing is concentration, because concentration increase the performance. And so many videos sir always uploaded. I also seen and I like also, because is doing the work is a grassroots level, that is most important. Now psychologists work, now I can give the example of psychologists work with Indian athletes to develop the strategic to manage the stress, build confidence and enhance the performance under pressure. For example, a psychologist might use cognitive behavioral therapy, CPT, to help an athletes to overcome anxiety and improve their performance in competition. The Indian tennis team work with the sports psychologists to develop the mental thoughtness training programs that helps player build the realize and focus under the pressure. That's the important factor. See, one factor is depend on one and one. That's become the माला. हम बोलते हैं भगवान को माला डालो या किसी को माला डालो तो बहुत सारे फूल रहते हैं. एक फूल से नहीं होता है. You have to put all the flowers in that. That is become the enhance the sports science and as athletes. Now, next, my point is personal development of athletes. The total personality develop of athletes is physiological, physical and professional. This is the psychology, and now this is very important and everybody is suffering from the this injury prevention and management. Identify risk factors, developing prevention strategy and managing injury points. Risk factor identify, prevention strategy, injury management. It is very, means we can say from the school level also they have a lot of problem, because we are not giving scientific training, they got some injury and that injury recover take times, and that is the why we are not going ahead. This is very important uh, topic, you say very important point. Injury prevention and management, a crucial component of sports science. And Indian sports scientists are working to identify risk factors, develop the prevention strategy, and manage the injury. By understanding the cause of injury and develop the efficient prevention strategy, coaches and athletes can reduce the risk of injury and optimize the performance. So sports science is also helping Indian athletes to recover injury faster and more efficiently. That's why I said injury, how you have to prevent the injury, that is most important. That I can give one example. The Indian cricket team has implemented injury prevention program that includes exercise to strengthen the muscles and improve the flexibility. For the example, they use exercise like yoga and to improve the flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Now sports scientists at the SAI, Sports Authority of India, have developed a protocol for managing common injuries such as hamstring, bull, knee ligament sprain. The protocol includes guideline for diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. They find out the common injuries from all the events, and that is why I said ki very important is the injury part in the life, because everybody, all the sports person you can find, you can see the even survey also, you will see each sports person have some injury. Why? We have to find the reason for that. That is most important. Now next is enhancing performance enhancing strategy. That is the strategy, the 6 points always have important in that. That is, the 6 points are important. I'm showing on the slide. You can see the 6 points are there: training methods, data analysis, mental preparation, nutrition, recovery, technology integration. See, the training method is personalized plyometric strength training and conditioning. That is the training methods. Data analysis means GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and video analysis. GPS tracking, you may be thinking why GPS to provide coaches and athletes with the data on performance, load, and movement to improve the training, prevention in injury, and strategic for the games. That's why this say GPS tracking, the global positioning system, that is most important points in the enhancing the performance. Abhi mental preparation, visualize, self talk, mindfulness. We always think about your aim, whatever, why you're playing, while you're playing, why you're doing any game. I'm not talking about some any game they need these three things, because mental toughness is very important and very useful to the any sports. Nowadays we are maximum are playing the individual game. They need this self talk, mindfulness, visualize the what we are going to do. That target is important. Now next is nutrition, personalized nutrition plan. The strategic and recovery techniques is important. Five is recovery. Why recovery is it? When you have injury, you need the nutrition, then you become the recovery and give the some stretching or other exercise that I said in first point. The sixth point is technology integration. Nowadays, we are in AI world. Wearable device motion capture, what virtual reality related training means we can show on your tab and everything. You can see the international matches when the coaches are sitting. They are marking something, means they have give some points where they are doing that. They capture the motion. Why this shot is going out? How you have to play for that? He has to be a depends on the mental preparation, visualize, self talk, mindfulness. That is most important. Now, next, I am telling performance enhancing the training methods such as periodization, plyometric, and strength conditioning and stretching to minimize the gains while avoiding the overloading. Sometimes we give the more overload, that also the difficult for the players. Now, data analysis use tool like GPS tracker. I explained that, and heart rate monitor to the assess performance metrics, enable precise adjustment to the training load and recovery. Mental preparation, including the technique like mindfulness, self-talk, visualization to enhance the focus and realize that during the competition, that's most important. Nutrition and recovery plan are customized to the each athletes need the ensuring the optimal energy to availability and efficient to recovery post training. The technology integration brings the innovation through the wire wireless motion capture system and vital reality, offering the data divine training experiences. Now, next is application of sports science. The application of sports science, where there is, I made the four groups like elite athletes, means international players or some good players like that. Second is recreational athletes, injury rehabilitation, and sports equipment design. That is the main combination of the application of sports sciences. See, this elite athletes means enhancing performance, gaining competitive edge. That is the aim. Recreational athletes improve the fitness and reducing injury risk. That is his main task or main uh, thing. Injury rehabilitation, developing personalized rehabilitation program. That's also sometimes they had injury, again rehabilitate and come back. Now you can see the Jadeja in cricket, his legs, the ligament is torn together. Then he had an operation. Again, he's playing same position because he has optimum developing personalized rehabilitation program. That's why he come again in international sports. Sports equipment design, that is most important. Optimize equipment design for performing enhancement. That is the main application of sports science. Application of sports science, elite athlete benefit from the cutting edge strategic, the fine tune performance and offer the competitive edge. The recreational athletes use sports science to improve the fitness, reduce the injury risk, and enjoying the sustainable training. In injury rehabilitation, scientific insight create a personalized recovery programs that restore functions and prevention re-injury. Re-injury, I said. Sports equipment design apply biomechanics and material science to the create the enhance the performance and safety. See, before I used to play, when I used to play hockey, at time we don't have gum shield. My teeth also broken somewhere else because now the prevention, the gum shield is there. When we have a short corner, we have to wear the face mask. Why? The ball is hitting your means that they reducing the injury. I also got my right eye broken because of the ball come on my eye, and 6 months I can't see because the blood is overall. Now the marks is there. This means equipment is very important when you're playing that level, but that equipment should use from the grassroots level. They have habit. Now some students I seen here in the Marathwada region or anywhere, village mein, they used to run on the bare feet, but the bare feet they are running is okay, but the bare feet they, when they are running, they don't have that shock absorber when they are running. That's why the knee get injured, and that's the when that person go to the national or international level, that is difficult. That I can give one example also. The Indian government has launched in initiatives such as the Target Olympic Podium Scheme, TOPS, to support the athletes. TOPS provides the funding and resources. That's the important. Why they giving the support and funding to the students? Because the 2036 we have Olympic we are targeting. Then start from the grassroots level. That is the important. Now, future direction enhancing in the sports. That's you can see. I given two pictures. That you have to see that the pictures what they are showing, what is coming on your mind, that is most important. See, the advance in technology like AI and machine learning are resolving the training analysis, injury prediction, and performance modeling. The personalized sports science is becoming more prevalent and with tireless program based on genetic, physiological, and psychological profile. Interdisciplinary collaboration ensure that athletes recover holistic support from the coaches, trainer, and physiotherapists and psychologists working together. The future of the sports science in India look promising and advance in the technology personalized sports science and interdisciplinary collaboration expected to drive to excellence in the athlete's performance. As the field continues to evaluate, it is likely to play as increasing important role in shaping the future of sports in India. By emerging sports science, India can produce athletes who are not only talented but also well prepared to compete at the highest level. Now, all I talking about all the points I now it is very important, that is a biological clock. What is mean the biological clock? That is very important. And for the athlete, that biological clock is very important for them. Biological clock, as known as the that biological clock is known as the circadian rhythm, means biological rhythm refers to internal biological process that occurs in living organs including humans over the 24-hour cycle. That is the biological clock. 24 hours whatever you are doing, that is a biological clock. In athletes, the biological clock plays a crucial role in the regulating the physiological process such as a sleep and wake cycle, then hormones secrete and metabolism. That is most important. Understanding the biological clock is essential for optimum athlete's performance as it can impact factors such as reaction time, strain, and endurance. Impact impact of the impact of biological rhythm on the athlete's performance. Research has shown that rhythm can significantly impact athlete performance. For example, athletes' performance tend to peak in the late afternoon or early morning. Even the body temperature and muscle functions are at their highest. Conventionally, performance tend to be lower in the early morning hours when the body is still adjusting to the wake up. By time understanding the rhythm of body, the coaches and athletes can train training programs to the optimize the performance and reducing the risk in injury. Application of biological clock in sports science. In India, scientists are applying knowledge of the biological clock to the enhancing the athlete's performance. For example, coaches are using the chronobiological to design the training program that takes into account the athlete's nature, biological rhythm. The includes scheduling the time training session during the time of peak performance and allowing to adopt the rest and recovery during the time of natural fatigue. By working with this biological clock, athletes can optimize their performance and achieving the better result. The future athletes, the future direction, the future direction I have to say, the study of biological clock and its impact on athletes' performance is rapidly evolving in the field. The new research emerging regulatory in India, sports scientists are exploring way to apply this knowledge to enhance the athletes' performance and gain the competitive edge. By understanding the biological clock and its impact on the athletes' performance. Indian athletes can optimize their training programs, improve the performance, and achieving the success in international competition. That is the most important things I just explained. I'm taking more time, sir. Just last 5-10 minutes, I can continue.
Yes, sir. No
Yes,
problem.
this the lecture is I have to conclude in some good things like sports science plays a crucial role in the enhancing the athlete's performance, preventing the injury, and improving the overall well-being. Apply sports science principles to enhance the performance and improve the athletes begin. The sports science is a vital tool in modern athletes. It empowers the athletes to train the smarter, recover faster, and perform better while safeguarding the long-term health. Whether you are an athlete, competitor, or weekend warriors, applying the sports science principles can evaluate your game and enrich your overall well-being. The science to unlock your full athlete's potential. In the conclusion of the today's lecture, I have to say the biological clock plays a crucial role in athletic performance, and understanding the impact in essential for optimizing training program and achieving success in the sports. By applying the knowledge and biological clock, the Indian athletes can gain the competitive edge and achieving the better result in the international competition. As the field of the sports science continue to evaluate it, it like it is likely to that the study of the biological clock will play a in uncertainty important a role in shaping the future of India. This is the today's enhancing the performance. This last slide I have to show the teamwork occurs when divine ability to incite the joint together work towards the common goal. Now the all chiti you can see lot of there the wooden is the your athletes means one psychologist, one physiologist, one biomechanics, one like that all the factors are there. That's why they become a team work builder, and we have the good future in India nowadays. In the new education policy also they're adopting the students, and they're finding why the students are now. One thing I have to from my side I have to say, till under 14 students, the students are winning. They have own ability, that's why winning. After 14 the students is not coming. Why the from there we have to give the proper training, proper equipment, and then scientifically training is important, then the performance will enhance. Today the college is given me uh, the GS college is given opportunity to give the lectures, and my time is over, I think so, and I just completed my lecture because I can't say something more than this because the topic is very vast. Verma sir is given a lot of good topics, and I like that topic. That's why I studied 2 days and giving my valuable inputs in that. Maybe any questions or anything, I can give the answers to them.
Yes, sir. Sure, you have enlightened us by the saying some aspects of health and as well as the scientific approaches of physical education, sports. What the thing is that we have to be more cautious about the physical fitness
Yes,
phenomena, which is important for each and everyone in their life. Because if we get injured, if we get some diseases, then definitely we'll lose our all the limelight which is we are wanted to achieve.
yes,
So I think in this manner we we have to inculcate all the things which are given by the philosophers or the philanthropists which are related to sports. I am very happy that sir you explained all the things like biomechanical analysis and movement pattern of as well as equipments which are very important players in the field of sports. Higher level competitions, jo we can say that body action,
yeah,
also the nutritional values,
yes, yes,
the
yes,
psychological values, basic principle of injuries and prevention, and the more important thing is mental toughness.
yes,
You had described all the aspect in a short manner. Although the lecture ended up taken 45 minutes or more than 45 minutes,
thank
marathon
you,
lecture was there, but
thank you, sir, thank
we never got bored, and we understood that the slides which you had uh, posted on the video in the shape of your presentation were very impressive. I thought and I think that definitely students will more get information, not now but in future also, because it will remain in the record of YouTube database, as well as we have our own database in sports department. So we'll keep it for the future references. If anybody wants to have any question regarding this, they can ask. Then we will go further. If anybody having question, okay. I think there is no such questions. The people are the good listener, because to become a speaker, there should be a good listener first. Okay, Meena Pawar ma'am, thank you for sir. Meena Pawar ma'am is saying that you have very nice informative lecture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, that
Sir, you
we
have given me the good platform. That's why. And this is very important topic, sir. Nowadays, the BPED, impaired college classes, na, they should tell this because that they have become the sports teacher in the school. School need these things, the updated knowledge. As
yeah,
per my knowledge, I don't know, but this is should be a because I've many times go to the LNIP, like you have native places there, all my friends are there. I used to go to the biomechanics lab, psychology lab, like that. We should get all the information from there also. Sir. Maximum points I given the examples also, the where it's India, what they getting and all.
yes. Let the our principal sir is also again joining. Uh,
Yes. Sharma sir, Verma sir,
yes, sir.
आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि ये जो टॉपिक था ना, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मैंने देखा तो सातों टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे दिए हुए हैं आपने,
Yes.
सीक्वेंस इज गुड.
Mm. Yes. So thank you again, sir. And we have our principal, sir, Dr. Ganesh Agnihotri, sir, with us, and he's watching regularly our lecture, especially that the idea behind of this is our sir, because sir, I always try to support sports activities as well as some awareness and this type of innovative approaches. So sir said to me that why not we use this platform to aware our students also, because nowadays it's getting more popular. So I have Dr. Ganesh Agnihotri, sir. Sir, please, if you are available, then we are waiting to your concluding remarks of today's lecture, day 3. Dr. Sachin Deshmukh, sir, is with us, and he has given us all the informative lecture as well as some information which is related to very important for health aspect and physical education sports field. Over to you, sir.
Uh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Actually, we have got Mahalakshmi Puja at home, so
Yes, yes, yes,
could not,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
could not get into it. Though I did not listen really very carefully about the lecture and all that, but I can definitely guess what Dr. Deshmukh must have told about the sports science, because that is the upcoming science. Yesterday, as I told, when Dr. Uday Dongre had come, he has given a lecture on careers in sports, the offshoot career or offbeat career in sports. So I think sports science is one of the best subjects which can be taught in
Sir got muted due to, I think, there may be call. Ye-
Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, yes, yes, sir.
Continue, sir.
am I
You
am
can
I
only.
audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Okay,
yes, sir.
okay. So in fact, म्हणजे खेळ हा असा प्रकार आहे की त्याला जितकं जास्त वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोनातून आपण बघू तेवढा तो एफर्टलेसली खेळता येऊ शकतो, है ना. म्हणजे आता
Yes.
बॅडमिंटनचा प्रकार असो किंवा आता माझा मुलगा आर्चरीमध्ये आहे. आर्चरीमध्ये आम्ही ज्या वेळेला कंटिन्युअस त्याला प्रॅक्टिस करायला सांगितली, तर नॅचरली जेव्हा तो सायंटिफिक वेने गेला नव्हता, तर ही हॅड अन इंजुरी. सो
Yes.
तुम्हाला इंजुरी टाळायची असेल, तर तुम्हाला सायंटिफिक वेने जाणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि म्हणून
Yes. That is
स्पोर्ट्स
true.
सायन्स हा एक इतका म्हणजे मोठा करिअरचा ऑप्शन आहे, की तो आपल्याला सातत्याने सतत निवडला गेला पाहिजे. दुसरा अजून एक भाग असा आहे, की स्पोर्ट्स सायन्समध्ये पर्टिक्युलरली जेवढ्या जास्त प्रोटोटाइप फॅसिलिटी आपल्याला देता येतील, तेवढं त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त चांगलं काम होऊ शकेल. मी NEPच्या अनुषंगाने खरं म्हणजे वेलकम करतो गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्राला आणि गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाला, की NEPच्या अनुषंगाने ऍटलीस्ट स्पोर्ट्सला काहीतरी न्याय दिलेला आहे.
Yes. Yes.
नाहीतर एक माणूस तिथे निवडलाय आणि झालं, तो सगळ्या स्पोर्ट्स घेतोय, तोच सगळे कोर्ट सांभाळतो, तोच कबड्डीच्या मेजरमेंट घेतो, तोच व्हॉलीबॉल घेतो, आणि मग एका माणसाची स्पेशालिटी तेवढा स्पोर्ट्स त्या कॉलेजमध्ये जास्त वाढतो. पण जर वर्मा सर आर्चरीचे आहेत, तर वर्मा सरांकडे ॲथलेटिक्स पण वाढलं गेलं पाहिजे. वर्मा सरांकडे क्रिकेट पण वाढलं गेलं पाहिजे, चेस पण वाढलं गेलं पाहिजे, बॅडमिंटन झालं पाहिजे, व्हॉलीबॉल झाला पाहिजे. म्हणजे ज्याला ज्या गोष्टींमध्ये इंटरेस्ट आहे, त्या गोष्टींचं इथे मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये विकास झाला पाहिजे. आणि स्पोर्ट्स सायन्स मला असं वाटतं त्या अनुषंगाने खूप चांगलं काम करेल. दुसरा अजून एक भाग स्पोर्ट्स सायन्सचा सगळ्यात मोठा असा आहे, की मी आता मध्यंतरी मुंबईला गेलो होतो अँड आय हॅड गिव्हन अ लेक्चर ऑन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी सिलोस. म्हणजे आपण डिसिप्लिनमध्ये
Yes. Yes.
आर्ट, कॉमर्स, सायन्स यांच्यामध्ये ज्या मोठ्या-मोठ्या भिंती उभ्या केलेल्या आहेत, है ना,
That
की
is
आर्ट्सचा माणूस कॉमर्समध्ये नाही जाऊ शकत, कॉमर्सचा माणूस सायन्समध्ये नाही जाऊ शकत. इतकंच कशाला, की सायन्सचा जर बायोसाईडचा जर माणूस असेल,
the
लाईफ
chemistry.
सायन्सेसचा, तर तो फिजिक्समध्ये किंवा केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये जाऊ शकत नाही.
Yes.
म्हणजे व्हॉट इज ऑल दिस स्टुपिडिटी? आणि ह्या स्टुपिडिटीचे परिणाम आपण गेल्या 50 वर्षापासून सातत्याने भोगत आहोत.
Yes.
की म्हणजे माझं जर उदाहरण घेतलं समजा, की सिन्स आय वॉज गुड ॲट लिटरेचर, पण आय हॅड टेकन फिजिक्स फॉर माय ब्रेड बटर बिकॉज आय न्यू की फिजिक्समध्ये मला
Yes.
ब्रेड बटर चांगलं मिळेल. मग मी लिटरेचर निवडलं नाही, मला लिटरेचर निवडता आलं नाही. मग मला जी मास्टरी करायची आहे लिटरेचरमध्ये, मला जे काम करायचं आहे लिटरेचरमध्ये, ते काम जर करायचं असेल मला, तर त्या कामामधून मला फार आउटपुट मिळत नाही. मग मला ज्यात इंटरेस्ट आहे, त्यातच मला करिअर करायला मिळालं, तर ते बेस्ट काम होईल, असं मला वाटतं. आणि
Yes.
म्हणून
Yes.
आपल्याकडे स्पोर्ट्स सायन्सला खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये अ, चालना मिळाली पाहिजे.
Chalo.
आपल्यासारखे स्पोर्ट्स टीचर्स या कामी भरपूर पुढाकार घेतील, यात शंकाच नाही. आणि मला असं वाटतं, की आता NEPच्या माध्यमातून का होईना, पण स्पोर्ट्सला एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचे दिवस यावेत, ही मनोमन अपेक्षा. खरं म्हणजे काल
Yes. Yes.
दोन्ही लेक्चरमध्ये त्यांनी अगदी आवर्जून सांगितलं, पहिल्या दिवशी आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशीही, की स्पोर्ट्सला खरंच चांगले दिवस आहेत. आपल्याला ऑलिम्पिक हे अनइमॅजिनेबल वाटत होतं. कित्येक दिवस आम्ही इतिहासामध्ये एकच गोष्ट होतो, की महाराष्ट्राचा खाशाबा जाधव यांनी कुस्तीमध्ये कांस्य पदक मिळवलं ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये आणि ते पहिले आहेत. हे किती दिवस तुम्ही एकाच
Yes. Yes.
संदर्भामध्ये तुम्ही सातत्याने नोंदी करणार आहात. नो डाउट हे अभिमानाचीच गोष्ट आहे. पण आपल्याला असे अनेक खाशाबा जाधव गावागावात आहेत, गल्ली-गल्लीत आहेत. मग त्यांना सायंटिफिक ट्रेनिंग जर दिलं, तर ते
Yes.
जास्त चांगल्या पद्धतीने होईल. आणि मला असं वाटतं, की यात आणखी एक आपण अ, मी मी तुम्हाला म्हणजे आवर्जून इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोचच्या अनुषंगाने एक विषय तुम्हाला सांगतो, की एन्शियंट स्पोर्ट्स इन इंडिया अँड दी सायंटिफिक
Yes.
बॅकग्राऊंड या विषयावर पण बोललं गेलं पाहिजे, की हा पण विषय खूप महत्वाचा आहे. कुठलेही छोटे-छोटे सब्जेक्ट असो, म्हणजे अगदी चेस सारखा खेळ असो, सापशिडी सारखा खेळ असो किंवा गोल्फ सारखा खेळ असो. इंडियन आहे गोल्फ. ओरिजिन इंडियाच आहे गोल्फच्या खेळाचं. म्हणजे असे कितीतरी खेळ आहेत, की जे भारतामध्ये उगवलेले आहेत. भारतात त्याचा उगम झालेला आहे आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये त्याच्या अनेक पैलूंवर इथे प्रकाश पडला पाहिजे. मग कबड्डीसारखा खेळ असो, खो-खोसारखा खेळ असतो.
Mhm.
तर याच्यामध्ये फिटनेस कोणत्या प्रकारचा लागतो? कशाप्रकारे काम करावं लागतं? ह्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये आपल्याला एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचं सायन्स डेव्हलप जर करता आलं तर त्या मुलांना, आणि खरं
येस,
म्हणजे
येस.
जालन्याला क्रीडा प्रबोधिनीच्या माध्यमातून खूप चांगलं काम चालू आहे. पण तिथे तुम्हाला स्किल अपग्रेड करण्यासाठीची संधी आहे. म्हणजे तुमचा खेळ त्या ठिकाणी सुधारतो. पण तुमची खेळाविषयीची माहिती ही कुठे सुधारते? खेळाविषयीचं ज्ञान हे कुठे सुधारतं? म्हणजे एक खो-खो खेळासाठी माझ्याकडे कमीत कमी 50 एक्सपर्ट्स असले पाहिजेत. की those who will talk about the movement of elbow, those who will talk about movement of thighs, पायाची मूव्हमेंट, खालची पंजाची मूव्हमेंट, शरीराचं पोश्चर कसं असलं पाहिजे, रनिंग करताना नेमका कोणता पाय पुढे गेला पाहिजे, कशा प्रकारे हवेवर मात केली पाहिजे, दाय कसा घेतला गेला पाहिजे, जे 2 पोल असतात त्या पोलवर नेमकं डाव्या बाजूनी डाव्या हाताने पोलला हे करायचं आहे की उजव्या हाताने घ्यायचंय, ग्रिप करताना नेमकं कोणत्या बोटाला ग्रिप जास्त घेतली गेली पाहिजे. हे जे टेक्निक्स आहेत, हे टेक्निक्स लोक अनुभवाने सांगतात. माझं असं मत आहे, हे सायन्सच्या बॅकग्राऊंडने सांगितलं गेलं पाहिजे.
सायन्सच्या ब्रँड. येस, येस.
आणि
सर
त्याचा परिणाम खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने होऊ शकतो. सर काय म्हणताय तुम्ही? म्हणत होतात
सर
काहीतरी?
मी आज मी सगळे टॉपिक घेतले हे.
येस सर.
बायोमेकॅनिक्स घेतलं, तुमचं
क्या बात
स्पोर्ट्स
है.
मेडिसिन घेतलं, फिजिओलॉजी
राइट,
घेतलं, सायकोलॉजी
राइट.
घेतलं. मीन्स
येस.
आय कॅन टच ऑल द टॉपिक्स बिकॉज एनहान्सिंग द परफॉर्मन्स इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ग्रासरूट लेवलला जर
करेक्ट.
सायंटिफिकली यू आर गिवन लाईक AI ऑल्सो इन्व्हॉल्ड नाऊ डेज बिकॉज द
येस.
कोचेस आर कॅचिंग द मुवमेंट. लाईक
राइट.
आपण म्हणतो सर की 45 डिग्रीमध्ये तुम्ही जॅव्हलिन फेका, बट त्याच्या एल्बोला इथं ह्याचा 45 कसा येणार? दे हॅव
कसं
टू स्पॉट
सांगणार?
आउट. ते सुद्धा मी आज
एक्झॅक्टली.
म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम एक्सप्लेन करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलाय.
करेक्ट आहे, करेक्ट आहे.
येस.
आम्ही म्हणजे आम्ही आता JES मधून आम्ही आता एक खूप चांगला उपक्रम चालू केलेला आहे. अर्थात तो थोडासा स्पोर्ट्सच्या अनुषंगाने नाहीये. पण त्याच्यामध्ये थोडं रिमोट का होईना पण स्पोर्ट्सचा संबंध येतो. आय वॉज
येस.
वर्किंग ऑन वन ऑफ दी म्हणजे एक आमच्या मॉरिस काउंटी म्हणून एक स्कूल आहे
ओके.
न्यू जर्सीची, आणि त्या स्कूलचं मेंटरशिप म्हणून आमच्या कॉलेजला निवडलं गेलं आहे. तर तिथले 2 मुली आमच्याकडे इंटर्नशिप करतात इनटू अ थिअरेटिकल फिजिक्स. म्हणजे विचार
येस.
करा तुम्ही,
बापरे.
की इंटरनॅशनल स्टुडंट आमच्याकडे ऑलरेडी आहेत. युनिव्हर्सिटी परवानगी देऊन अथवा न देऊ, आम्ही इंटर्नशिपचे स्टुडंट घेऊन टाकले.
नो नो नो
आणि
दॅट.
मग त्या इंटर्नशिपच्या स्टुडंटला आम्ही सांगताना आय हॅड चोजन अ टॉपिक कॉल्ड सिम्पल पेंडुलम अँड प्रोजेक्टाईल मोशन.
ओके.
आणि मग प्रोजेक्टाईल मोशनवर आमच्या फिजिक्सच्या लोकांना आम्ही सगळं काम करायला लावलं. आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये नीरज चोप्रा, त्याच्या मुव्हमेंट, जॅव्हेलिन थ्रो, डिस्कस थ्रो, या सगळ्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत, या सगळ्यांवर आम्ही प्रचंड काम करायला सुरुवात केली. आणि तुम्हाला मी सांगतो फंटास्टिक रिझल्ट मिळतात मुलांना.
येस. 100% सर, 100%.
वेन US पीपल कॅन अप्रोच अस, तर फिजिक्स आणि स्पोर्ट्स यांचं खूप जवळचं नातं निर्माण होऊ
सर
शकतं. आणि हा
कारण
इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी
बायोमेकॅनिक्स.
अप्रोच
हो. बायोमेकॅनिक्स
इट
इज
इज अ
व्हेरी
फिजिक्स.
क्लोज टू स्पोर्ट्स सर. फिजिक्सच आहे.
इट इज व्हेरी
सेंट्रिफ्युगल
व्हेरी
फोर्स
ट्रू,
इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
व्हेरी ट्रू, व्हेरी ट्रू, व्हेरी ट्रू, व्हेरी
कारण
ट्रू.
हाय जम्प जेव्हा करतो सर तुम्ही म्हणजे तुमच्या जमिनीच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला जायचं असतं तुम्हाला.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
अगेन्स्ट
करेक्ट.
तुमच्या ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स. मग त्याच्यासाठी सुद्धा तुम्हाला फिजिक्सच कामाला येतं.
नक्की, नक्की.
येस सर.
इनफॅक्ट त्याच्यामध्ये काय टॉर्कची भूमिका खूप महत्वाची असते.
हो
सेंटर
सर.
ऑफ
येस.
ग्रॅव्हिटीची भूमिका
ग्रॅव्हिटी
महत्वाची असते.
सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
हां. आणि मग हे कॉन्सेप्ट मुलांना कळले ना, की खूप छान आहे, की स्पोर्ट्स
येस.
करणाऱ्या मुलाने सायन्स करू नये, स्पोर्ट्स करणाऱ्या मुलांनी क्या करेगा तू पढ के, असं म्हणण्यापेक्षा त्याला तिकडे पण एन्करेज करावं, इकडे पण एन्करेज करावं.
तर
जेणेकरून आपल्याकडे अल्टरनेटिव्ह
बीपीएडला
करियर्स निर्माण होतील.
नाही बीपीएडला जे आहेत ना सर सब्जेक्ट त्याच्यात स्पोर्ट्स मेडिसिन आहे, फिजिओलॉजी आहे,
आहे.
अनाटॉमी
हो.
आहे, सोशलॉजी आहे, स्पोर्ट्स सायकोलॉजी आहे. ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स आर देअर. मीन्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट यू कॅन एनहान्स युअर परफॉर्मन्स. मी ते
व्हेरी
आज
ट्रू,
सगळं सांगितलं.
व्हेरी ट्रू. करेक्ट,
त्याला
असं आहे.
करेक्ट.
इंटरप्ट सर.
हां, प्लीज.
हां.
डॉक्टर वसंत झेंडे.
चांगलं कन्व्हर्सेशन चाललंय. मला वाटलं मी पण या कन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये पार्टिसिपेट होऊ.
अरे
बरोबर बोलले सर, की हे जे आहे फिजिक्स किंवा बायोलॉजी किंवा केमिस्ट्री म्हणजे ह्याचं सगळ्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन स्पोर्ट्स आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर ह्याला इग्नोर केलं, एकाही पार्टला इग्नोर केलं तर तुम्हाला ऑप्टिमम परफॉर्मन्स येऊ शकत नाही. त्यासाठी
व्हेरी ट्रू.
येस.
कारण
त्यामुळे हे
अग्नो
कॉम्बिनेशन जे आहे तुम्हाला हे सगळं, आणि त्याचबरोबर आता सचिन सरांनी सांगितलं की सायकोलॉजी, योगा आणि हे सगळे जे आहे हे सगळे त्याच्याबरोबर म्हणजे पार्ट अँड पार्सल आहेत या सगळ्याचे.
राइट, राइट. करेक्ट आहे.
येस सर, येस सर,
म्हणजे
करेक्ट.
म्हणजे ह्या ऐकून मी वर्मा सरांचं मी खास अभिनंदन करेल, की सर काय असतं, की ह्या डिस्कशनला ओपन प्लॅटफॉर्मवर घेऊन जाणं आणि त्याच्यावर चर्चा होणं गरजेचं आहे.
Yes.
आणि जितकी जास्त चर्चा होईल त्यातून आपल्याला
तेवढं
जास्त
चांगलं.
चांगलं आउटपुट मिळेल. होय की
सर,
नाही?
मी पहिले सुरू करायच्या आधीच तुमचं धन्यवाद म्हटले, कारण मागच्या वेळेस
अरे
तुमच्या कॉन्फरन्सला मी आलो होतो आणि
हो.
यू आर डुईंग गुड जॉब सर. तुमच्यावर वर्मा सर पण चांगलं करतात, आम्हाला माहिती वर्मा सर करतात, पण प्रिन्सिपलचा सपोर्ट असणं हा सगळ्यात मोठा गोष्ट आहे सर आजकाल. त्याच्यामुळे स्पोर्ट्स अपलिफ्ट होणार आहे आणि पुढे जाणार आहे.
आमचं ते कामच आहे. इट इज आवर मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तर मी सांगतो, की सर तर याच्यामध्ये आहेच आहेत खूप चांगले. म्हणजे
अच्छा.
मीडिया मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये.
येस येस.
पण आम्ही आता इथे साक्षी पण आहे आमची. आम्ही आता काय केलेलं आहे, की वी हॅव स्टार्टेड वन पॉडकास्ट
ओके.
आणि त्या पॉडकास्टला नाव दिले जेईएस सिनर्जी. आणि या जेईएस सिनर्जीच्या माध्यमातून आम्ही आता आमचे स्पोर्ट्सचे मुलं पण त्या ठिकाणी इंटरव्ह्यू करू ना त्यांचे.
येस सर. येस सर.
आणि त्या निमित्ताने काय होईल, ते जेवढे जास्त मुलं, कारण हे सगळे मीडिया मॅनेजमेंटवाले मुलं आहेत.
मीडिया. येस येस
आहे
सर.
ना, सोशल मीडियावर जास्त आहेत. तर ह्या मुलांनी जितकं जास्त बघतील, त्याचा जास्त फायदा त्या मुलांना होईलच. पण
येस येस
एकूण
सर.
त्यांच्या फॅमिलीला होईल, त्यांच्या समाजाला होईल, सगळ्या पूर्ण आजूबाजूच्या आणि एकूण त्या गावाला होईल. आणि
येस
म्हणून
सर.
मला असं वाटतं, की ही जी वात पेटवलेली आहे, ती आता खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात असावी, अशी
येस.
अपेक्षा आहे. आणि आय
येस
होप
सर.
यात नक्कीच फरक पडेल आणि आपल्याला खूप चांगले
डेफिनेटली.
चांगले विद्यार्थी या ठिकाणाहून मिळतील आणि जालन्याचं
येस
नाव
सर.
किंवा मराठवाड्याचं नाव किंवा महाराष्ट्राचं आणि परिणामी भारताचं नाव मुलं रोशन करतील, यात शंका नाही. पुन्हा एकदा सगळ्यांचे धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
देशमुख सर
सर.
तुमचे धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर.
झेंडे सर तुमचे धन्यवाद, की तुम्ही पार्टिसिपेट झालात डिस्कशनमध्ये. आणि वर्मा सरांचं अभिनंदन आणि सगळ्यांचं अभिनंदन.
थँक्यू
थँक
सर.
सर.
तर वर्मा सरच्या अगोदर मी तुम्हाला थँक्स म्हणू इच्छितो, कारण की तुम्ही वर्मा सरांना इतका सपोर्ट करतायत आणि वर्मा सरही खूप मेहनत घेत आहेत या सगळ्या गोष्टींमध्ये. त्यामुळे आपल्या दोघांचं, या टीमचं मी मनापासून धन्यवाद करतो आणि आशा करतो की असेच पुढे तुम्ही असेच नवीन नवीन उपक्रम जे आहे तुम्ही सातत्याने चालू ठेवाल. ऑल द बेस्ट टू
धन्यवाद.
यू, बोथ ऑफ यू अँड युअर कॉलेज.
थँक सर. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर. सर तुम्हीच आभार प्रदर्शन केलं तर आमचे जे आभार प्रदर्शन करणार आहे ते काय करणार? थँक्यू व्हेरी मच वन अँड ऑल.
इट वॉज फ्रॉम माय बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट सर. I
येस.
cannot stop it.
Yes, thank you, sir. This is just starting, sir. We will do some more things. Definitely, we will come with some new ideas. Okay, in the field of sports, as sir told that sports science is necessary. Everything is upon science. If we think like that, science is everywhere. So we have to just segregate science to sports so the students may perform well. Okay, so we will working definitely all the teachers, all the professors, those who are listening, they are in the field of sports. They are doing something at least because they have some limitations, but they do well. I think I personally feel. So by saying this word, I would like to call Miss Sakshi Zarhad, our student, a BSc student. Uh, Sakshi, can you open up your mic so we'll have uh, our guest and you have opportunity to just give a vote of thanks to them.
Okay, sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Sakshi Someshwar Zarad, and on behalf of the Sports Department of JES College Jalna, I extend my sincere gratitude to all who joined us today for this enlightening session on sports science and enhancing athletes' performance. A special thanks to our esteemed speaker, Professor Dr. Sachin Deshmukh, sir, for sharing such valuable insights and practical knowledge. Your thoughts have given us new perspectives on how science can truly support athletic excellence. I also thank our respected Principal Agnihotri sir, dignitaries, colleagues, coaches, and athletes who participated and made this discussion more meaningful. Behind every successful meeting is a dedicated team. So, a word of appreciation to organizers and technical support for ensuring this online session went smoothly. Thank you, Verma sir. And finally, heartfelt thanks to each one of you for your time, active participation, and thoughtful engagement. With that, we officially conclude that today's session. Wishing you all a good wealth, continued learning, and success in your adventures. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
all.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.